Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about adding and modifying columns in R. In data analysis, we often need to create new columns or modify existing ones to derive new insights. So in this video, we will cover 5 components. Firstly, adding a new column, then modifying an existing column, next conditional column creation, after that creating columns using functions, and lastly using mutate from the library dplyr. So the first part is adding a new column. We can add new columns in base R and using the library also. So the first statement represents how we can add a new column using base R. So this statement creates a new column that has a name new underscore column that is twice the MPG values. And this statement uses the library and does the same operation in much cleaner way. Next is modifying an existing column. So if you want to update an existing column, you can simply do like this in base R. And this multiplies all the values of MPG by 1.5. And the similar thing you can do using the library also. Next up is conditional column creation. So we can create new columns based on the conditions we want. So here in base R, we can use if-else function and this creates a new column named efficiency, which has the value high if MPG is greater than 20, else the value will be low. But when it comes to make conditional columns using the library, we can make it using the case when function. Here, this assigns the categories based on MPG values, like greater than 25 will be very high, greater than 20 is high, greater than 15 is medium, and rest true will have the value low in the new column. The next part is creating columns using functions. So we can apply functions to create new columns. In base R, like we have used the square root function to create a new column named square root underscore HP that will have the value of square roots of the HP. Then when we are using the library to create column using functions, we can use the mutate function and the output of the first statement and the second statement will be same. The last part is renaming columns. Now you have created column, modified columns and used functions also to create columns. Now, if somehow you want to rename it, how would you? So in base R, it is so simple like call names, the name of the dataset, the index of the column, and then the new name that you want to give to it. In library, it is simple. You just use the rename function and then the new name equated to the previous name of the column. Now that we know how to add, modify, and rename columns, we can move to summarizing and grouping data in R. And we will continue that in the next video. Till then, practice all the syntax with different type of data sets and do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.